Social Science textbook, grade 8, part 1. This has recently been released and is going to be used in this academic year. The chapter 2 in the theme B starts with a note on history's darker periods, so which mentions how these chapters of Indian history have been darkest hours for the country. And as historians, they face a dilemma on why we should be giving attention to such dark periods, and should we omit them completely from the syllabus. Over here they also speak about how the reigns of the Mughals that came, in that they have also spoken about how there were rulers who were so brutal. For example, mentioning Babur here, Babur in India in this paragraph, that mentions how Babur was known by the Babur Namas, his memoirs, where he was shown as a culturally and intellectually active individual. But the book mentions how he was also a brutal and ruthless conqueror, slaughtering entire populations of cities, enslaving women, children, taking pride in erecting towers of skulls made from slaughter of people and plundered cities. Then we talk about Akbar, where Akbar ordered the massacre of 30,000 civilians in Chittorgarh, and surviving women and children were enslaved. We are also looking at the description of Aurangzeb, where it is once again mentioned how Aurangzeb ended up destroying temples at Banaras, in Mathura, Somnath, and among many others, as well as Jain and Sikh Gurudwaras were also attacked and destroyed by Aurangzeb. So not just his teachings or learnings, but also the way he governed at that point is being brought to light.